love the non-stop excitement of Disney's animated feature Hercules, watch this. You'll love the brand new adventures of Hercules as a boy.
Today's story, the fabulous Hercules.
Hercules, Zero to Hero. 3 amazing new stories in one incredible video.
Fantastic!
Now you can discover Hercules' greatest challenge of all.
I love this line.
Growing up.
It's not that simple.
All your favorite characters are back in these brand new adventures.
Hey, I like it.
Disney's Hercules, Zero to Hero, on sale now.
No.
There's something lurking in Lucky Duck Lake. And now it's heading your way.
There's something bad behind me, isn't there?
Disney presents Doug's first movie.
Wow!
Now you can own it for the first time on video.
It's going to be big, 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 big.
Join Doug Funny, Patty Mayonnaise, Roger Klotz, Skeeter Valentine, and all your favorite characters in their movie debut. Own the film that reveals the truth about Lucky Duck Lake.
Our people have located monster tracks coming toward town.
Will Patty finally fall for Doug?
Can we meet, later?
Plus, the exclusive, never-before-seen documentary will reveal why all the characters are different colors.
I'm getting an idea.
Why Skeeter makes those funny sounds. And why our hero has only one eyebrow.
It's the story of the century.
All the earth-shattering answers are revealed as Disney presents Doug's first movie.
Think of this.
Documentary. Video September 21st.
They don't want to conquer us. They don't want to study us. All they want,
Oh, not another tale.
is a place to crash. Now, an unsuspecting Earthling has a new roommate.
Lay down, as you wish.
This summer,
Isn't it wonderful?
friendship is making a world of difference.
Everything okay there?
Get the towel.
Mr. Mama!
I see you ahead.
Where the heck are we?
Hello, we're out of air freshener.
Disney's My Favorite Martian, coming soon to video and DVD. Do it.
Make us bigger.
On November 9th, be a part of a very special holiday event. Walt Disney presents Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas, an all-new full-length movie premiering only on video. Join Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Goofy, and all your favorite Disney characters in the film that brings home the true meaning of the holiday. Share the joy of Christmas. Come along as Mickey and Minnie discover the magic of sharing.
You're all the music I'll ever need.
Donald Duck and his nephews learn the joy of Christmas comes only once a year. And Goofy shows Max
Of course there's a Santa.
that with faith and a little trust, dreams do come true.
Merry Christmas, Dad.
All your favorite Disney characters in one big holiday celebration. Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas. Own it on video November 9th. Brand new to video.
The holidays are coming.
Winnie the Pooh, Seasons of Giving.
Hooray!
A full-length Pooh adventure featuring 5 unforgettable songs.
Friends, near and far away.
Be a part of the magical journey as Piglet, Rabbit, and Pooh Bear find winter just in time for the biggest feast of the year, Thanksgiving.
Celebrate the season of giving.
And a surprise Christmas visit from a special friend makes this the best Christmas ever.
What a wonderful Christmas.
Brand new heartwarming tales about friendship
Thank you for being my friend.
and the true meaning of the holidays in one full-length Pooh adventure your family is sure to love.
friends, near and far away, sharing all today, gathering to say we're thankful friends, in every way, like each and every day.
Winnie the Pooh, Seasons of Giving, only on video November 9th.
Near and far away.
You're about to meet the greatest detective of all time.
Battle of Baker Street, Michael Bell.
The mouse with a mastermind.
How very thrilling.
And he needs your help solving a new crime.
Stay close and do as I do.
Just check out the game sheet inside the video. Or log on to the web at greatmouse.com and download one yourself.
Elementary, my dear Dawson.
Then watch the movie and answer the questions. It's the coolest game around. And the best part, surprises.
I love it, I love it.
Enter and get this Great Mouse Detective book sent to you free. Plus, you'll have a chance to win the Super Sleuth Detective Kit. Or the grand prize, a trip to London for a Toy Store shopping spree.
I've never seen so many toys.
So get your pencils ready, because the mystery is about to begin. Oh yeah, stay tuned after the movie for more help.
To Buckingham Palace! And now, our feature presentation.